What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I've got a quick one for you. I just want to go over Tesla and their recent delivery numbers. And I've also got something to show you here on the chart. Now, we've got a little bit of good, a little bit of bad. Let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Definitely helps me out. And let's look at those numbers. Now, I will leave you guys the link down below, of course. But we've got our second quarter numbers for Tesla, and they reported 254,000 electric vehicles delivered. Now, this is where you have a little bit of good and a little bit of not so good. So when you look year over year, Tesla delivered 201,000 vehicles in the second quarter. This quarter, they had, the 250,000 area. However, in the first quarter of 2022, so this last quarter, Tesla delivered a whopping 310,000 vehicles. So this was a decrease quarter over quarter, but it was a nice increase year over year. But Tesla did say that they plan to grow their manufacturing capacity as quickly as possible. And over a multi-year horizon, they expect a 50% average annual growth of vehicle deliveries. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm not as pessimistic as some people might be. When you look year over year, I think this is great. Yes, quarter over quarter, we had a little slump. I'm going to show you a chart in a second, show you what I think is going to happen. But I think it's awesome to see these kinds of numbers considering all these COVID lockdowns with Shanghai, considering they're also trying to ramp up their Texas factory and their Berlin factory. Now, I think in this current market environment, even a hint of bad news is going to cause a bit of a sell-off. So it's very likely we break from this pennant here. And if we do break out of this pattern, it's very likely we push further, possibly break this recent low of 629 and our next low of 616. So if you see that, it's very likely we push lower, possibly test 600. But you will see that we're in a bit of a tug of war here. We are literally seeing higher lows, but we're also seeing lower highs. And we are right in the middle here. I do potentially expect a little bit of drop off. And if this is broken, it's likely it continues further. Now, having said that, if the market just happens to have a little bit of a bounce, if the NASDAQ does rally, Tesla will likely follow and we may break out of this, but I'm not holding my breath. Now, I'm not currently a Tesla shareholder. I am keeping an eye on it. I was buying back in the upper 300s, lower 400s, have since sold, didn't sell at the top, sold in the $800 area, and it is starting to look attractive to me, especially if it can break under 600. I will start chipping away at Tesla. But let me know down below what your plan is for Tesla. Are you playing the breakout trades? Are you just slowly accumulating? Are you watching for it to create a bottom? Thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you next time.